Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so good.
Talk to us.
Honestly, very...
Hey guys, Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Hey Katie.
Hey Jason.
How good?
So good with my Moscow Mule and summertime.
You love the summer.
I am such a summer baby.
What'd you do this summer, Sandy?
Oh, I spent most of it at the beach.
I think...
sunshine, pool time.
Yeah, I know I love all that too. I grew up on the lake, and so that's fun. I love it.
And longer days. I don't like short winter days.
Oh, see, but I like it to all change. So I think
I'm
like
fine
it.
with the
I like the
change.
changing. But I agree, summer's fantastic, but fall's my favorite.
Yeah. No.
Why?
I said yeah so quickly.
You don't like fall?
I love fall, but summer's my favorite.
Fall has the best clothes, though.
See, I think spring has the best clothes. Because you can
pastels?
still wear a beanie. Yeah, and just like, I love spring dresses, oversized t-shirts.
Well, I don't do that.
Yeah, that's true.
I like the fall sweaters and coats.
Yeah, I get that. Totally get that.
You know,
Anyways.
Yeah, enough of that.
Enough of that.
Weather
We're
talk.
going back to Coke Studio.
Yeah, we're gonna do this, and
Season 14, like you guys asked.
We've been loving this. Really glad we got tipped off to it. But before we go here, hit up all of our things. Instagram, subscribe to this channel, TikTok.
Like us on Facebook, follow us on Facebook.
Yeah, I said all the others, and then Patreon.
I started getting
Thought
ahead.
you were gonna run through all
Actually, I
of
just
them.
don't listen to Jason anymore,
Yeah, she
so I
doesn't.
just
She
go
has
on my own thing.
Ta-ooned me out.
Yep.
Like I said,
Ta-ooned.
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 See, that you could sing that differently than tuned.
Ta-ooned.
Yeah. See, there's a lesson in everything I
Hey,
say.
who are we watching?
There's a lesson in
There
everything
is a
I
lesson
say.
everything you say as you're pushing me
We're gonna
away.
watch
There's a
Abdullah
lesson in
Siddiqui
everything I
and
say.
Atif Aslam.
Yes.
And this is Go from Coke Studio Season 14.
Studio,
Coke.
Season 14.
Season
Coke
14.
Studio 14. That's almost as good as Wish Bus.
Wish.
Oh, hey.
Oh. Bond.
Very.
James Bond.
This is me all over it. We're going into the heavens. I don't know what that was.
Oh, wow.
Now we're in a house. Go.
Oh. This is cool.
It's very cool.
Sing back to early 2000s.
Totally. Really nice tone. Very theatrical. Okay.
I love all these instruments.
I was just thinking that, Katie.
Incredible.
That's the beautiful thing about
Yeah.
music from this part of the world.
Their vowels are so clean.
Mm-hmm.
So clean.
They really are.
You hear a little bit of that squeeze on his voice?
Yeah, totally. His English is really good too.
Very good. There's the open.
I love this instrumentation.
Mm-hmm.
Not to mention, how many are back? There's like,
There's a lot.
yeah. 8,
I mean,
10
it's
people.
in a whole circle around them?
Yeah, I think so.
That's beautiful.
That's a sitar, right?
I know. I think so.
I think it's a
That's what I know
think
it
that's
as.
a sitar.
I didn't know there could be like the tiniest different change in these instruments.
Nice.
He really opens that up.
He did. That was very open throaty, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, way to observe that.
Thank you. He's great.
So smooth. Well, it's cool because, you know, one guy's more like westernized American in his approach or European, and the other guy's leaning in heavily to their culture.
Yeah.
Right? That's cool.
What a beautiful setup, too.
Mm-hmm. Like this build. Yeah.
Wow, love that. So smooth.
It's like a little Coldplay build too, right?
Yeah. Good reference there. Synths and stuff are so cool.
Mm-hmm. I have no clue how they play those things, but...
Me neither. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so good.
Talk to us.
Honestly, very easy to listen to. Like, it's one of those songs that I would just put on the car when I'm driving and just kind of escape, like zone out and just listen to.
Yeah.
Loved all the instruments in it. And again, I love when you can see just small ways that the singers kind of pivot in their vocals to opening their throat or leaning into the edge, whatever it may be. So I think Abdullah, is Abdullah the one with the glasses? Let us know. I'm not sure which. This is the first time we've ever seen them. So if it's Atif or Abdullah with the glasses and the jacket. But how he opens his throat a little bit when it comes to opening up his voice, and especially kind of loosening that for the runs and the trills was really great.
Yeah, and it takes a singer knowing their voice to be able to
know
like,
when.
To know when and how.
Yeah.
Right? Because again, most singers, unless you really know your vocal, you're going to overreact to control it, and that's typically going to clamp, close, and restrict it.
Yeah.
Right? And so we saw him not doing that there, and that was awesome.
So good. And then when I think maybe Atif, the guy in the with the beard, when he opened up at the end, I love his tone.
Yeah, his tone's so good.
So good. And it was so smooth. Y'all, you have no idea, singers, you do, but when you go through that bridge, literally where your voice wants to break from chest voice to head voice, getting through that in a transition without breaking or straining is very hard. You have got to learn
skill,
how to balance your voice and to just massage that coordination out.
Yeah.
And he just went into that so smoothly.
He sure did.
I'm excited to see more of these. Coke Studio.
I know. I love Coke Studio.
It's on it.
I keep thinking, like, why don't we have Coke Studio?
Why don't we?
Coca-Cola's here.
I know.
We should just drive to Atlanta and make our own Coke Studio.
Or we can just make one here in Nashville.
Coke Studio.
Yeah.
Hot Chicken Studio.
Hot Chicken Studio.
We're going to have Nashville Hot Chicken Studio. You have to eat this piece of hot chicken and sing a song.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
It will really get your high notes open.
Or your high knee notes open. You know what I'm saying? That hot chicken move right through you.
Oh my gosh, Jason, that was such an old man joke. Or your high knee notes.
No. That was a good joke. You have to acknowledge that. Because hot chicken makes you go to the bathroom.
I know that. I get that from the joke.
I'm explaining that to people who don't know hot chicken. Wow, my brilliance sometimes in joking is so good, and you tried to just
I know,
shut
but
it
you know
down.
what? Here's the thing. I'm just so blonde that I don't understand it sometimes.
Wow, that's true.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are
Vocal
Lab
Collective.
Collective. Hot chickens. You're a hot chicken.